Welcome to this ABI Research Snapshot video. I'm Andrew Spivey, Principal Analyst at ABI Research, and I'm joined today by Sunmeel Bhumkar, Director of Product Management for Wireless Networking at Cisco. Today, Sunmeel and I are going to discuss some of the key findings of ABI Research's recent report on the future of enterprise connectivity. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks, Andrew. Great to be here.
So wireless has become a foundational utility for modern enterprises. It underpins productivity, security, automation, and emerging technologies like AI. Yet many organizations are still operating on infrastructure that isn't scalable and can't support these new demands. Sunmeel, what do you believe organizations are struggling with most as their networks grow?
I think capacity and consistency are the biggest ones. As more and more devices come onto the network, it strains the spectrum and network resources, making it harder to deliver reliable performance everywhere. And at the same time, customers or enterprise want to support these advanced use cases like robotics and some of the AI-driven applications, which demand low latency, reliability, and seamless mobility. As we have looked at our Wi-Fi 7 portfolio, we've thought about some of these use cases and different customer types that will consume these products.
So our report highlights Wi-Fi 7 and 6 GHz as essential upgrades. Sunmeel, why do you believe 6 GHz is such a game changer?
I think 6 GHz dramatically expands the available spectrum, enables the wider channels, which have much greater capacity. That is very critical for some of these high bandwidth, low latency applications, and also helping relieve the congestion on 2.4 and 5 GHz. Without 6 GHz and some of the technologies that the industry has brought in with Wi-Fi 7, enterprise networks can potentially become a bottleneck for innovation if they don't plan their upgrades.
Another key technology discussed is Ultra Reliable Wireless Backhaul, or URWB for short. Sunmeel, how do you think URWB complements Wi-Fi in mission-critical environments?
I think URWB opens up use cases that are stretching the Wi-Fi technology a little bit, because it delivers that ultra-low latency, seamless handover that make before break, and enhance reliability. Think about robots on the manufacturing floor, mining out both authorities, where traditional Wi-Fi struggles a little bit. Alternatively, URWB is also used as backhaul without the need for some of the expensive cable runs, which makes a popular and economical choice for some of our customers. In addition to URWB, I think one other area we are seeing some customer interest and we are also investing in is location services, and is an adjacent use case to Wi-Fi. It's been very hard to solve it with accuracy. Think about airports, hospitals, manufacturing facilities for some of the location-based use cases. I think these two combined, these are some of the other use cases that are coming up in addition to Wi-Fi. We have integrated this into our product portfolio to make that access point a connectivity hub.
So security is another major theme in our report. The report emphasizes how cybersecurity and physical security are increasingly interconnected. Sunmeel, how do you think enterprises should approach wireless security today?
I think security needs to be thought of end to end. There are multiple facets to it. That means you have to think about zero trust access, continuous verification of users, devices for policy enforcement across the network. And on the wireless side, you have to think about protecting the RF space with VIDs and VIBs from rogue devices. Wireless also underpins the physical security system like cameras and sensors. Enabling the visibility and integration of those is essential as well.
So finally, the report highlights the shift to AI-driven network management. Sunmeel, why do you think AI is becoming such a critical tool for enterprise operations?
With everything that's going on in the network and some of the additional use cases that are coming up, networks are becoming complex to manage reactively at scale. I think AI enables some of those proactive operations, helping teams to optimize performance, resolve issues faster, and operate in general more effectively as networks keep growing.
Thanks, Sunmeel. So I'd like to close by just reiterating that enterprise wireless is entering a new era, defined by scale, intelligence, and mission-critical reliability. At ABI Research, we believe that organizations which invest in future-ready wireless platforms will be better positioned to support new applications, protect their environments, and compete effectively. If you'd like a deeper look at how Wi-Fi 7, 6 GHz, ultra-reliable wireless backhaul, and AI-driven network management are shaping enterprise connectivity, read our executive brief, Transforming Enterprise Wireless, how Wi-Fi 7 and URWB enable secure, scalable connectivity in mission-critical environments. Thanks for joining us.